I'm looking at a 380 call, you guys. All right, ready? Finger on the trigger. I'm in. I'm in right here. Let's go. Let's get that rule of eights out the way. There we go, right there. Rule of eights accomplished. Okay, we coming up. Everybody in here got a piece of that? All right, yeah, you guys get it. Get your money, man. All right, I'm dropping two right here. Rule of eights in effect, baby. I got these two runners right here. Uh-huh. Wednesday, February 22nd. I am Cyberman. I'm flipping this small account, but I got to be honest with you guys. I'm trying to rush it. I set up rules for myself, and I'm not keeping those rules, and I've had a few hiccups along the way. You know, first I lost footage of, the beginning of this small account. And my plan was going in with that $1,000. All I wanted to do was scalp every day, just take as many little scalps as I could. One contract, 10, 15, 20 bucks, scalp it, scalp it, scalp it. That's what I did. I doubled my way up to like 2 G's. About a week or so. Then I started taking like 3, 4 contracts, scalping, multiplying. And I got up to like $2,900. Been about 3 weeks. And then I said, when I get to $3,000, I'm going to go ahead and take 5 contracts, slowly move up. But of course, me, I'm trying to rush stuff, and didn't work out that great. I mean, I'm on the last week. I didn't do any videos because I literally had problems with my trading platform. If you're in my Patreon, you watch the video. I did live videos of things and I put them in there. But that's for the Patreon. Now, excuse me, or the Discord and Patreon. So, needless to say, I took a couple losses, but I came back. Last week I had problems. The problem was I couldn't get in and I couldn't get out on the SPY where I wanted to get in and out to scalp it. And it was like really ramped up a problem. And I had that problem last week, like I said, so I didn't report on it. This last Monday, we didn't have any trading. And so the last 2 days, this is what I did. All right, I started my account. I'm looking at my account over here on this other screen. I got on another screen over here. 27.35 was the balance. So yeah, I lost like $160 or something like that. Stupid play. Couldn't get in, couldn't get out. It was hard. It was just, it's stupid. Anyway. So 7:11 in the morning. Right here. Let me stretch this out. On the SPY. My whole idea with day trading this thing on the SPY is getting in, getting out quick. And my goal was if I trade Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, $80 a day. If I traded, I'm sorry. Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. If I traded Monday, a lot of times I don't like to trade on Monday, but if I traded Monday, I was going to do $80 a day, Monday through Friday. It's $400 a week. That was the goal I set for myself. If I didn't trade Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, I have to make $100 each day. So $400 a week is my goal. Needless to say, I took some stupid trades I didn't need to take, and it worked out well for me on some of that stuff, and that's why I got up to $3,000 so quick. But just the problems with the platform, I hate to gripe about it, but it's really nerve-wracking. So the 21st, 7:11 in the morning, right here, this arrow. I don't remember exactly what I was thinking. I was just thinking, we if we break out a pre-market and we come down, I was thinking I want to jump in, take a put really quick, get in, get out, get my quota for the day, and it's over. Okay. So I seen that setup here. I watched the pullback. I watched it break out from this consolidation and the play on the bottom of this line here. Jump down. I was ready to jump in here. And I was like, let me wait. Because, we got this day line here. We got this key level. So it comes over. I see it reverse. I'm like, okay, maybe I don't want to jump in. Because this is a smaller account. Got to play a little different. I can't just sit there and hold and wait for stuff to come back. Because, you can't cash out with runners and things like that. Can't use the rule of eights. You just kind of got to go for it. So I let it play along in this consolidation. When it wicked up, made a high. I was glad I didn't get in at that point. Playing along this key level under the day here, under the pre-market. Then we bounced off. I seen a continuation here. Push down. Less buy pressure pushing up, but we didn't pass that key level. So I played this guy right here as my breakout. Seen the continuation here. Seen that pressure down there. I jumped in right about here, but it didn't let me into here. Okay, that was at 7-11. I jumped in with 5 contracts at 172. All right. I jumped in with 5 contracts at 172. Hold on, where's this at? Okay, yeah, 5 contracts at 172. I got out 1 minute later at 204. So that put me up $160 for the day. But did I quit? No, I didn't quit, of course. Even though I already met my quota for the day and almost half for the week, I didn't stick to my rules and I did not quit. So I cashed out of there 712. I sold all 5, didn't leave no runners. $160. I'm up 160. I'm like, oh, that was quick. You know what? Let me do it again. So here, 728. Seen this little rundown. It came up, and I figured, I'll go ahead and jump in. I think it'll break down a little more. And I think I will grab it because usually in the morning, sometimes it does that. It breaks down and it breaks down, and it kind of does it quick, but it doesn't. I call it the AI creep. Okay. So here it's 728. I don't know what I was looking at. I jumped in plus 5. Moved down here a little bit. Bam, ran back on me. At this point, those are 402s, by the way, 402 puts. The first one was 403 put. At this point, I'm thinking, oh, man, how come I didn't just wait? Stupid. I'm trying to just get it over with quick. I rushed into that play. It backed up on me. It broke out. I tried to get out somewhere over here, i.e., here goes the platform problems. It ran back. I tried to actually get out here somewhere because I remember this coming back down. Tried to get out here. Didn't let me out. I kept trying to chase it, get out, and finally let me out here at 742. I took a loss right there. I basically lost everything I had just won in the first place. See, stick to your rules. If I would have stuck to my rules, I'd have been up, been done. Well, so what did I have to do now? I'm thinking, shit. Now I got to make, that up. I lost the 160. So I was like, I got to look for a nicer place to get in. And I got to get that back. See? Now I'm playing catch up. That's stupid. Because I didn't stick to my rules and I didn't just jump out with that 160 and let my account add up. Trying to do it too fast. Stupid. So, right here, I seen this come up. I seen this semi breakout. I seen it wicking in here at the bottom of this consolidation box, kind of like what it did back here. I was like, I think it's going to break down. So what did I do? This red line right here, I try to jump in there. I try to buy in, okay? Now, if you don't know how to trade, you don't know nothing about the share price, and you don't know about your delta making a difference, I'm not going to go into it. And basically, that's what happened. It wouldn't let me in where I wanted to get in. I chased it, being stupid, trying to catch up. I guess you could call it revenge trading or what have you. So it finally let me in right here after I tried 2-3 times over here. And just as I was going to get out, it let me in here. Okay? When I wanted to get in back here, and that would have been like, 4137. Let me in here, 40119, 1929, 39. So it would have been like an $18 scalp. Would have been about, let's say, close to about 90, 96, about $100 would have been, right? Well, that didn't work out like that. Platform wouldn't let me in. At this point, I'm frustrated. So I'm like, shit, I got to get out. Okay, hold on. We broke down. Oh, wait, maybe this is going right. We hit this point right here. And at this point over here, I'm trying to get out. Boom, continuation there. And I'm like, wow, we wicked up to here. And I'm like, let me just jump out. Before this thing goes back on me. Okay. I'm trying to get out right here. Now we're down to 401.03. Let me in at 401.20. So that's a 17-cent scalp right there, which would have probably got me, by the time I ended up getting in, would have got me about, let's just call it $100, right? At the bottom of this. Came down some more. I'm trying to get out here. Came down some more. I'm trying to get out. Won't let me out. And now I'm chasing, trying to get out because I just want to make this little money. At this point here, I'm frustrated now. This guy runs up here, and of course, me, I don't have a stop loss like that. Bam, it comes back, and I basically just break even. 161 in, 161 out. I just ended up paying fees for that. And that was it because it wouldn't let me out. And that was the end of that day. After that, I was like, this shit, man. I'm out of here. I actually came in at 27.35. I would have left at 28. I would have left at 29.05. But nope, I stayed in. So let that be a lesson to you guys, right? Then I actually left down at 26, 27. And I'm like, I'm done with the small account. That's it. So I was like, you know what? I'm done. I told my Discord, listen, man, the SPY just don't act right. But if I'd have paid attention to my own rules and played by my own rules and did what I was supposed to do, I'd have been all right. But no, I had to keep going, you guys. So today I switched it up. Asked a Discord what they want to do. A couple people said Apple. Somebody said QQQ. And I'm like, all right, I'm done with the SPY tomorrow, And you know me, I love to trade the SPY, man. That's my thing, man. That's why I got the SPY session. And I do a lot of numbers on the SPY. But I was just at this point, I'm fed up with the SPY because the way it pulls back. Even when you get in with the rule of eights, it's like it pulls all the way back to where you're not breaking even. You're still, because if you know about the rule of eights, that's my thing, the rule of eights, because I've seen a couple people trying to copy my rule of eights thing. So my rule of eights, it's made to let you stand those pullbacks. It's made to let you stay in the game in consolidations and wait for the breakouts. So even in the rule of eights, the SPY has just been not letting people make money, man. So me, I'm just like, nope, I'm not going to do that today, man. So I got up this morning and I said, I'm going to make a good trade in Apple today. I got in. I noticed a gap down. I was like, oh, okay, cool. Seen that gap down there? And I think there's one up top up there. But anyway, I jumped in Apple, 148 put. I took 5 and I told myself, if I get like 150, 170 bucks off the rip again, I'm done. And that's what happened, you guys. I jumped in right here at 6:39 this morning when the market opened. All right, I took 5 contracts, 148 put at 149. All right, at 7:18 right here. After it broke down and went my way, I had my rule of 8s number. I got out there. And so now I can ride this pullback back. And I don't play Apple, so there's people in my Discord. I was like, well, you know, who plays Apple in here? You guys, what's a pullback for this guy? And this was kind of a little bit of a pullback. But they kind of, you know, when I measured it, they kind of said it was about right. And then, so right about here, I'm thinking if this pops up and takes me back even with my rule of 8s number, you guys that know rule of 8s, you know what I'm talking about, right? But it didn't. It pivoted, played around here, it bounced back down, and came back down. Then I'm thinking, all right, we're still in the good. I got one runner. I sold out over here with the 4. I got my rule of 8s number. Come back, and I should have just got out here, but I didn't. Because I'm thinking, you know, purple in my room, that means gap. That means money. But we hit this buy pressure here, okay? I guess a big block order came in there, or a sweep or something. You know, I don't know. Whatever it was, it came up. I thought it was going to pull back here and then turn around and come down. Now I just got this one runner, and then we trickle down. And we come back here, and I'm like, this thing's not going to come back down at this point. I'm thinking, you know, let me get out of here, man. Sure enough, I got out right here when it wicked down to 147.88. I left away with another 156 bucks right there. So needless to say, I walked away with 171 total. I could have probably walked away with about 250 if I would have got out here. But it is what it is, you guys. So I'm back up to 27.92 now. All right. And that's because I followed my rule, stuck to my rule, and I was like, that's it. I make a good, 120 to 150, 170 something. I'm out. I'm keeping it. And I should have really just sold down here. Got that 250, but no, you know me. All right. So tomorrow's Thursday, and then we got Friday. So 171 is half of my goal for the week. So I got to get about another 130 bucks, 230 bucks. So it is what it is, you guys. So my ending goal, my ending total right now is 27.92 in the small account. That was the one and only play I did. Then I went to the big account, and today was a really good day. Took a lot of trades. I took like 15 trades in total. I sniped a whole bunch of stuff, really good stuff. Amazon, Apple. I stayed away from the SPY, which was weird. I didn't take one SPY play today. That felt really, really weird, you guys. The QQQ, Amazon, Apple. I'm in some long stuff on AMD. I still got my shares in Tesla. Nike, I'm still waiting for that, and it looks like it's breaking down. It's over here at 119. You guys better check out those gaps I told you. And if you're not recognizing right now we were in a gap in Apple today, and then it pulled back up. But 147.19 is where I'm looking to get back in. Tomorrow, if we head down, I believe we got a gap up. Let's see. Yep, we got a gap up there, but I don't know if we'll make it up there. That's at 151. That'll take a 2-day thing. Apple's usually like a $2 to $3 moving thing, maybe 150 to $3. I kind of noticed. That's just what I noticed. So that's a small account for the day, you guys, and I'll update you when I can, which will be soon. So, all right, thanks, guys.